Hey, George. What are you doing?
I'm doing a favor for Sharon, making airline reservations for a guest.
Well, just do it on the computer. Let's do it on Nina's laptop. Come here. Okay, we're booking a flight to where?
Frankfurt,
When?
Tuesday, September 14th.
There's a Lufthansa flight in the evening.
What time?
6 p.m.
How long will it take?
About 7 hours. It arrives at 6:55 a.m.
That's good.
Okay, for how many?
2.
How long are they staying?
From the 14th until the 28th.
So, return flight September 28th. Let's see the names.
This is terrific.
Yeah. It's better than this.